TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Good morning, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 10 a.m. on the Eastern Coast, 30 minutes into the trading day. Let's check in on the markets and see how we're trading as markets are marginally lower. We'll jump over to that Nadex platform, start things off with the S&P 500, currently trading at 25.48. We're as high as almost 25.52 in the pre-market session, pulling back a bit 30 minutes into that trading day. Jumping over to the NASDAQ 100, a little bit of volatility for sure. Zooming in on things. There's our opening bar right there at 9:30, traded up to about 6,080, bounced back to almost 6,069, and now currently trading 6,073 on the NASDAQ 100. Euro US dollar pulling back a bit this morning, currently trading at 118.31. Euro was as high as 118.80 this morning. We're seeing euro weakness, dollar strengthening, and that's affecting a few markets as we bounce around. Here's crude oil pulling back quite a bit. Crude was above $51 just as of about 4 a.m. this morning, pulling back $50.30 currently. Now you have the EIA inventory numbers on crude oil coming out at 11 a.m. this morning. Those were pushed back as a result of the holiday on Monday. And there's our gold contract pulling back as well. Gold currently trading at $12.92, was up almost to about $1,300 as of this morning, but pulling back a bit. We'll see how that affects, but definitely a little dollar strengthening, gold pulling back, and natural gas getting quite a bid for itself. Natural gas currently trading at $2.94, was about below $2.90, so 4 pennies just in the last 3 hours of trading to the upside. Natural gas inventories 30 minutes from right now, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. What else we have? It's the beginning of earnings season, most wonderful time of the year, and we'll jump right over. We had Citigroup and JP Morgan coming out with their earnings this morning, both pretty much in line. Citigroup earnings beat Wall Street estimates as consumer business shows growth. Citi reported a 3% year-over-year increase in global consumer banking revenue, and JP Morgan profit topped street estimates, but bond trading revenue plummets, and they had an amazing third quarter in 2016, so not too staggering, pretty much what they expected. And let's just jump over as we wrap this up. Citigroup, a little bit of volatility for sure, up 9 pennies or about 0.1%, and JP Morgan down, was much higher, up to as high as 97.89, currently trading at 96.76, down 8 pennies. Stay tuned, folks. Great day of programming at TFNN. We'll talk to you next hour.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how EverBank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? EverBank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? EverBank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. EverBank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. EverBank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.